Have you ever wondered if your posture is quietly setting you up for that dreaded neck hump? There's a quick, at-home test that can reveal the answer right now. As people age, many notice their upper back starting to round forward, like this. It's often called a neck hump, Dowager's hump, or thoracic kyphosis. It doesn't just affect appearance. It can cause real problems: chronic neck pain, shoulder tension, and even frustrating symptoms like numbness, tingling, or weakness in the arms and hands. Here's the surprising fact. One key muscle group, the pectoralis muscles, plays a bigger role in creating this posture than almost anything else. The good news: with a simple test you're about to learn, you'll know if tight pecs are a major contributor for you. And if they are, there are 3 easy exercises to fix it. Now let's test it. The wall angel test takes 30 seconds. Stand with your heels 6 inches from a wall. Buttocks, shoulders, head, and arms against the wall in a goalpost shape. Hold for 20 seconds. Do you have to arch your back? Can you get your head flat? If you struggle, your pecs are likely the problem. Exercise 1. Upper back cat. Place forearms on a chair or couch. Gently round your upper back, letting your chest drop toward the floor. Feel the stretch across your chest. Exercise 2. Passive pec stretch. Lie vertically on a foam roller. Extend arms out to the sides at 90 degrees. Let gravity open your chest. Relax and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 3. Doorway stretch. Place forearm at 90 degrees on a doorframe. Step forward and turn away gently. Feel the stretch in your upper pec. Repeat on both sides. In my experience, consistent gentle effort makes a huge difference. Try these out and let me know how you feel. Don't forget to check the Posture Fix video next. Take care.